Hi everyone, this is Emmanuel. I'm here to teach you the session 2 for special basic classes. In this class, we're gonna learn about sound recognition. And outline for this lesson is starting basics, how, learning, when and why, showing, play and see, mastering with sound. Please keep your keyboard aside while discussing about showing and mastering, and we can simply tell sound recognition as sound understanding. Starting how? Starting by remembering and by hurting the sound of a key. Starting with a key, then chords and scales will be definitely be easy for you to learn. Try guessing the key by listening to a song or anywhere. Starting with guessing the keys with learning. Now let's get into learning. When and why. It is useful mainly when an unplanned song, example church services, parties, functions, etc. It is useful when you want to compose or identify someone's voice, including other instruments like guitar, violin, strings, etc. Now let's get into play and see. In keyboard we can see two types of keys which are white keys and black keys. White keys are known as the lower scale and upper scale are called as the black keys. First key C, second key D, third key E, fourth key F, fifth key G, sixth key A, seventh key D, ninth key C. By getting into the upper keys we can see C sharp, D sharp, sorry E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, D, C sharp again. And I want to ask you the key that you recognize. First one, which key is this? Now I gonna ask you some questions regarding what key is this? 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 Tell me what key is this? Mastering means combination of voice and style. So tell me which song is this? Tell me. I'm gonna ask you a few questions and please put the answers in the chat box. First question. Name all the steps to recognize a song scale. And please put your answer in the chat section. The second question is, do you think this topic is important? And the third question is, can you just make others follow your scale? Please put your answers in the chat section. Those who are watching this recording, please put your doubts in the comment section. We will answer them as soon as possible, or WhatsApp me by the number 63050 11073. Thank you.